How to change the camera depth of field to increase or decrease the background blurriness of the picture on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, launch the camera app. Next, you want to swipe at the bottom here to portrait mode. And then from here, you can tap on this button at the top. So that is the depth button. Once you tap on that button, this depth of field will open up. From here, you can drag it to the left or to the right to decrease or increase the depth of field. So when you increase the depth of field number, the background will have more details, and as you decrease the depth of field, the background will become more blurry. So let's take some example of a picture. So here we got 1.4. And then I'll move up to say 16. So taking the same picture. All right, so let's have a look at the comparison. This one here at f16, you can see if I zoom in, there are some details on the background that I can see. Here, if I zoom in, you can see there are a lot of blurriness around the orange because I have used too much depth of field. So what we can do is we can reduce that. So in camera, you can reduce the depth of field to say 4.5 or 9, and then you can take the picture again. Otherwise, what you can do is go into photos and you want to open up this picture. So you can see this is the clearer pictures and this one is quite blurry. So we can change the depth of field even after you have taken the picture already. So tap on this adjust button and here select portrait, and then it's a depth here, and then you can drag on this slider bar to decrease or increase the depth of field after that. So here I will decrease a little bit, actually I increase it, and then from here you can also adjust your lighting, contrast, brightness, and a lot of other things that you can adjust. And you can tap on style, and here you can change the style as well after you have captured the picture. And here we got standard, amber, and once you're happy, just tap on the done button to save the changes. And that's it. That is how you can change the camera depth of field on the iPhone 16 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.